In response to recent reports of eviction drives carried out by the Assam government against alleged illegal settlers, the Khasi Students' Union Kupli Area Circle, in coordination with personnel from the Saphai police outpost, conducted a surprise inspection in Saphai village along the Meghalaya-Assam border. The inspection aimed to identify and deter individuals from outside the state, particularly those suspected to be illegal immigrants who may be attempting to cross over into Meghalaya and settle in the border areas. According to the KSU, the lack of stringent enforcement and protective legislation in Meghalaya has made the state vulnerable, encouraging individuals, particularly from Bangladesh and other regions, to seek refuge along the porous border. The union asserted that such actions are necessary to prevent Meghalaya from becoming a dumping ground for people expelled from neighboring states. It further warned that the organization would continue to carry out such checks and would remain silent if government authorities fail to take proactive measures. The KSU representatives emphasized that their intention is not to take the law into their own hands but to protect the integrity of the state's borders. The union urged upon the state government not to remain complacent and issued a clear message: in the absence of official intervention, civil society groups may be compelled to act. The organization also identified Saphai as one of the vulnerable transit routes frequently used by outsiders to enter the state illegally. It called on traditional village authorities and local residents to remain alert and cooperate in safeguarding the community against unlawful infiltration.